It's tasty, salty, nutritious. Wild bird's meat. From time immemorial, most tribes in northern Uganda have been eating wild bird's meat. Since chicken and meat are often notoriously absent from many families' menus here, boys and men often kill wild birds for a quick, yummy meal. I have joined Mr. Richard Okello, a serial bird killer, in his today's hunting edition in Koro village, Gulu district. But to kill one bird, he must first assemble his weapons together: catapult and bullets. Let's start with the bullets. A sticky soil, especially from an anthill, is quite suitable for making the bullets, which are shaped into little balls. They are then spread to dry in the African sun. The catapult itself is carved out of a V-shaped little tree branches, upon which a pair of neatly cut elastic rubber pieces, usually from a bicycle tube or even a car tube, is attached. Once your weapons are assembled, it's time to hit the hunting ground. However, as most hunters would have it, the presence of a hunter dog is a big asset. A hunt is a hunt. You either kill or not, depending on factors like luck, experience, resilience, precision. And it's telling me to hunt these birds correctly. You have to be very wise, otherwise the birds are also very scared, very careful. They've been hunting them daily and they become so jumpy, so easily scared. So when you're gonna hunt these birds, you have to make sure that you make your moves very quietly, very clandestinely. And when you've seen a bird that you think you want to target, clandestinely move in there and aim at it. And once you've done that correctly, you'll hit that bird up there. And here comes the last laugh. It is small, but big enough to fulfill the expectations of the little boys at home. Tiny little catch, but loaded with hundreds of much-needed calories. The boys enjoy the meat, hoping that Daddy will return tomorrow from the bush with a much bigger catch. Bosco Fio reporting.